Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This is a tutorial for a dance by Darren Bailey called Till the Neon's Gone. 32 count, improver level, 1 restart, and it goes to a song by the same name, Till the Neon's Gone, by Josh Miranda. Okie doke, let's get going. We're going to start by stepping to the side. Step together, and you're going to shuffle forward, step and step. Do a rock recover forward, left, right, turn a quarter and take it side together, side. Again, we have 1, 2, and you can lock this or just do a little shuffle, 3 and 4, rocking 5, 6, follow your left shoulder, side together, side. Now we're going to continue traveling to our left with a weave. And I'll stay here and then I'll turn my back. I'm going to take it over first on the right foot, right, left, right, back, quarter turn, step forward on your right, forward, half turn, quarter turn into a chasse or shuffle, side, together, side. Now I'm going to stay here, go over that, and then I'll turn it for you. So you'll have just been on your left foot. You take your right foot over, crossing over, side, under, quarter turn, forward on the right to 6 o'clock, half a turn to your left foot, keep turning to your left to 9 o'clock, and go into your side triple cha-cha-cha. So what that looks like here is I would go over, out, under, quarter, forward, half, chop, chop, chop. Okay? With counts one more time, that count of 8 goes 1, 2, 3, quarter, 4, forward 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to turn my back to you so you can see this next part. So you'll have gone 7 and 8. We're going to do a rock recover back. So you just go back, front, chasse to the side, step together, step. Same on the right foot. 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. It goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. You'll be facing 9 o'clock when you do that the first time. So let's go back to the beginning and put that together. Starting at the top, to the side, 7, 8, step 1, 2, forward, 3 and 4, rocking 5, quarter turn, step together, weave now, over, side, under, quarter turn, forward, half, side together, side, rock, recover, cha, 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 rock, recover, cha, cha, cha. We have one more count of 8. You're going to continue to rock back on this one like you just did, but you're going to dip a little bit, bend your knees a little bit deeper, down, and then turn a quarter and lift it up, up. Step forward on the left, half a turn to your right, following that same direction, step side left, you're at 9 o'clock, bring your right foot in, and then we're just going to kind of do a sway, sway, right and left. I'll rotate that again, but I want to give you the counts. So you're just going to do another rock back on 1, down low, lift it on 2, forward 3, half, 4, quarter, 5, together 6, 7, 8. And all that is just sway, sway. Okay? The counts on that are 1, quarter, 2, forward 3, half 4, quarter 5, together 6, 7, 8. So that's all even tempo. That gets you to 9 o'clock, and that's your new, I almost said your new window. That is your new wall. It can be a window too. So let's go back to the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 to the side, 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4, rock, recover, side with a quarter turn, weave 1, 2, 3, quarter turn, half turn, quarter chasse, side, rock it back on 1, 2, 3 and 4, on 5, 6, dip it down a little, step back, turn, half, turn, quarter, together, let's go again. Go side, 2, 3 and 4, rocking 5, 6, quarter, 7. Here's your weave at 6. 1, 2, 3, quarter, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Rock it back. 2, 3, and 4. Rock it back. 6. Rock it a little lower. Step behind. Turn. Half. Turn. Quarter. Turn. Sway. Sway. Okay? Then you keep going around like that. Now there is a restart at wall 9, and you only dance one count of 8. So what happens is you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You dance one count of 8, so we will have the beginning of 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. It gets you to your new wall. This is your restart. The only thing you want to change is that your right foot is to the side. So rather than going side together, which will work, choreographer suggests instead that you walk forward, forward, forward. Just for that one, right? Because your weight is all the way here, 8, and then it's 1, 2, into the 3 and 4, and then you continue. And that's the only restart that's in there. Okay, so that's at wall 9. So I think that it's time that we give it a shot with some music. So we will get started.
I keep swaying till the last
1,
dance.
2, 3, and 4, 5,
You
6.
didn't beat my marriage.
Quarter turn, half shuffle.
Where your eyes
Take
burn
it back.
right through me.
Rock back.
With my
Take it
head
down and turn to your right. Just walk it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go side. 2, 3, and 4, 5.
They weren't
Quarter
strong enough to
and
stay. 'Cause truth I'm about to
go back.
Go
And back.
Don't always right away. And I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone.
Quarter turn.
Till there's no whiskey
Here we
left in honky tonks. Till there ain't girls and country songs and steel guitars.
Rock and turn. Take it down. Turn. Slide
Hearing
together.
that crowd from somewhere around. And you feel like those lights ain't shining down. But I'll still be here, I'll still be hanging on. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone. Well, you said all good things have endings. Baby, that's just in the past.
Turn.
I don't care how
Take
many
that.
times you feel me fool. Just wanna be last. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone. Till there's no whiskey left in honky tonks. Till there ain't girls and country songs and steel guitars.
Step down.
Don't play.
Yeah, all right. So that is that beautiful dance, Till the Neon's Gone. I certainly appreciate you tuning in to watch yet again. Please, if you have not subscribed, do so. Spread the word, invite others to watch the channel. I'll have some more uploads very soon, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, come out and visit me at the BL Saloon, otherwise known as Borderline, out in Southern California in Agoura Hills. I hope that I will see you on the dance floor. Take care.